Back to another Chart Nerd TA video. Today I am diving it into Firo USD. This is on the weekly time frame. And just look at that. I'm quite bullish on this project. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that massive bear market and look at this structural support you found here, and you've started to pick up. You've come back. You've created higher lows for yourself here. This is on the weekly. Look, you've got a low there, a higher low here. That's a higher low. And currently you need to get above and break above this level here at roughly around $24, I believe it is. You need to come up and break that and start creating this higher high here, and start conforming your way, and reversing this structure here, and getting continuation within this bull market. And I do believe that you will start to pick up, because as I said, look, you found a level of support. This was the corona dump, I believe, in March, April in 2020. And that there is your low, and you started to pick up from there. You've got above the EMAs, come back, you fell below them, but you still held it and created a higher low here, as I said. And look, you're starting to march your way on here, and you're getting squeezed at the moment, I do believe, into a corner, and a breakout is coming relatively soon for Firo. So yeah, I mean, look, if you was to go off this low here in January, in March 2020, and go off that low and go to the all-time high, you can see that what's happened is, if I just drag that along a little bit further, you can see that currently, as I said, you found this low of support, you came up, you found the higher low, and you ran into the 050. Look, you came up and you started working your way through the fibs, you broke through the 382, you broke this level of resistance here, and you ran into the 050, and you got a little bit overextended. And that's when you had a B, C correction, and you found a higher low again. See, look, that's your third higher low. You got your low here in March 2020, a higher low in November, December 2020, and now a higher low in July. And I do believe you're starting to flip the switch here, and you're reversing this downtrend, this whopping bear market that you had for Firo. So yeah, look, you've come into the 050, you've bounced back up, held the 236, and now you're sort of consolidating in between a range and looking for a potential breakout here. I do believe you could be in some sort of massive horizontal for Firo. I'm going to zoom in and have a little look anyway. Let's tidy this up and just refresh the charts for a second. So let's go into the daily time frame right now and see what's going on here. Right, so straight off the back, if I just go from this low here, which was in July, I believe, yeah, when everything had that massive crash, we go from that low and we go to this local high where we're retracing from. You can see we're retracing from that. You can see that you've hit your head with Firo a couple of times, on the 0618. You've wicked to it, but you've always fell back from it. You see that you've always fell back from it. And I do believe right now you are coiling up and trying to, I think, retest and come up to these sort of levels, and get a break. Because if you do, look, you could be forming a low, a higher low, and you got a level of resistance here that could be a lovely double bottom pattern, and also some sort of ascending triangle for Firo. So things are looking good. They are looking good. Let's zoom in a little bit more here and see what's actually going on within the daily. So you could say that you got this close here, this level of resistance where you got the closes on the candles where you've come up, close, and you're coiling up in, at the moment, this is a level of support. So potentially, as you see, that could have been a descending triangle there, and your technical target from that descending triangle would have been from there to there, and you didn't come down to that level, you came short of it, but you held the 382. So that potentially could have been a descending triangle. You lost support of it on the daily there. Oops, sorry. You lost support of it here on the daily, and you came down and held the 382 because that was the next target on the fibs. And since then, you've been coiling up. You come down here, you're coiling up between a level of resistance and a level of support, and you're looking for a breakout. So if you get a breakout here, you'd have a technical target of this horizontal from there to there, and if Firo did come up and break it, you'd be looking to tackle this level. You'd be looking to come back up to this sort of level of resistance. If you see, look, right there to there, yeah, so this resistance should be coming back up again, and that is what you want to see. Because again, if you zoom out a little bit here, you can see that resistance, you've come down, held support, resistance, you're coming back for a second time. If you come up and break that and break this horizontal with a technical target to that, that's where you could see Firo run into the 068, come back, hold that as support, and start marching on back up to this local high up here at $25. So it's looking really, really good for continuation. Do keep a close eye on it, and that's just a quick update on Firo. I hope you enjoyed, guys. From Chartner TA, take care. Until next time, peace out.